Time only flows one way. But why? Why can't we rewind our lives like a film? And here on Chasing Sunsets 49, where curiosity meets truth, a journey through physics, philosophy, and the way we humans perceive reality. And if you're enjoying this mix of science and philosophy, make sure to subscribe at Chasing Sunsets 49. I post one long video every week, plus 2 shorts, and I run special series on my favorite books, TV, and movies. You won't want to miss what's next. I remember yesterday, I live in today, but tomorrow, it's always just out of reach. This one-way street, this relentless forward march, is what scientists call the arrow of time. But why does time only move forward? And what does that mean for how I live, think, and even remember? Let's dive in. All right, let's get one thing straight. In the tiny world of atoms and particles, the laws of physics don't really care which way time flows. If I watched a planet orbit a star in reverse, the math still works. But then, I look around. Ice melts, eggs scramble, I age. There's a direction to things, a before and after. So what gives? The key lies in something called entropy. Think of entropy as nature's way of keeping score. Order turns into disorder over time. Imagine a sandcastle. You build it, it stands tall, but eventually, the tide washes it away. The universe always seems to drift from neat and tidy to messy and random. That's the real driver behind time's arrow. Now here's where things get trippy. My mind is wired to remember the past, not the future. I have memories of breakfast eaten, but never of breakfasts yet to come. That's not just a quirk. It's shaped by the arrow of time and the rise of entropy. My thoughts, my experiences, everything that feels real is tied to the universe's one-way journey from order to chaos. But what if the arrow of time didn't exist? Imagine if I could unburn toast or unscramble eggs. Would life even make sense? Would stories still have beginnings, middles, and ends? Maybe not. Let's go even deeper. Some physicists say the arrow of time is just an illusion, a trick of perspective. Maybe the universe is a giant block where past, present, and future all just exist, and I'm just sliding through it in one particular direction. Wild, right? So what does all this mean for me? If time only flows one way, then every moment matters. Every choice, every memory, every goodbye and hello is precious because I can't go back. That's the real power and maybe the real tragedy of the arrow of time. So the arrow of time keeps us moving forward, toward change, growth, and destiny. But remember, it's not just about physics. It's about how we choose to live within time's flow. Question for you. If you could reverse time, would you? Or does the flow forward make life more meaningful? Drop your thoughts below, where curiosity meets truth. Let's keep exploring, follow, subscribe at Chasing Sunsets 49. See you in the next one. Take care.